Yo, what is going on everyone? We're back from the Forever Rally, it's over and it was an absolutely cracking weekend. But now we're back from the Forever Rally, and prior to that we were really focused on getting the car back together and the interior back in shape for the rally. But since we're back, I wanted to go over what we're going to be doing moving forward on me and my MX-5, giving you an overview on the modifications which are to come over the following months. Now guys, this is going to be quite a short video, but yeah, I thought it would be worth giving you guys an overview on what's coming in the future on the channel. So yeah, without no further ado, let's flip the camera and show you around the MX-5 and what's coming. As you can see, we've got the tools out here because we lost one of our bolts here and we had a massive exhaust leak on the rally, so that's sorted. Actually, one of the things which is coming right there already is we're going to get some proper Inconel hardware and the locking studs just to ensure that these don't come loose, because I've had problems with these coming loose even with a red thread locker, which due to the heat that this heats up to, thread locker becomes pretty useless when it heats up, and obviously the exhaust manifold gets ridiculously hot, so yeah, we need to replace those. But if we look at the engine bay, at the moment it's quite a mess. We've got wires everywhere, it's just, yeah, really messy. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cleaning this up, doing a wire tuck, pulling the engine and painting the entire bay, which is going to be epic. I haven't decided on what colours coming yet. I've got a couple of ideas in mind, but I'm not going to spoil the surprise yet because even myself, I don't know. This bad boy is getting forged. We're going to go bigger turbo and we're going to be pushing some real power. I mean, even 250 out of the stock engine is pretty nice. It feels quick. So if we crack open the interior, got there eventually. You can have a look, it's a bit of a mess since we haven't cleaned it up after the rally, but the interior is almost complete and I'm pretty happy with where it is. Bucket seats are coming like they were before, but we did have an issue with clearance. So because when they're on the stock rails and sliders, which I had them on before, they sit way too high for these bars and they're in the way. So they're going to be welded directly to the floor. I'm going to be making up some brackets for those, which is going to be cool, testing out the fabrication skills, but that's going to have to wait a while until I get a welder because that's not on the priority list right now. So yeah, we'll close that up. Loads more interior little bits and bobs are coming as well, some finishing touches, but yeah, I'm not sure exactly when they're going to be coming in essence. So in terms of the exterior, as you can see, I've got the drift spares on the back and our rep BBSs on the front. Yeah, the car's clean. I mean, I'm really pleased with the condition of the car, which I've got it and how I've kept it. But yeah, I want to do some real exterior work to the MX-5 to make it where I want it to be. So as you guys know, if we have a look over here, they're rep by MX side skirts, which I picked up off Billy RS himself. So they're going on the MX-5 and we are going for a full rocket bunny kit on the car. So we're going to go for both front and rear arches or over fenders, whatever you want to call them. We're going to have the rocket bunny lip on the bottom of that, and I'm also going to be making an awesome splitter for the car as well, so we can have some real downforce. Also, it's controversial, but on our boot lid we're going for a big gate wing. Now I just think this will look awesome on the car. So yeah, it's going to be done whether you guys like it or not. But yeah, having a big wing on the back. We've still got some of our Forever Rally stickers on there, but also we need to have a bumper cut, neaten up the rear, make it look slightly more aggressive, and some sort of diffuser as well. I think will look absolutely epic. But yeah, without going into too much detail, obviously with the wide body we're going to have to get new wheels. I'm looking to run at least 11J wheels on all four corners on this, potentially bigger on the back, but yeah, we'll have to see what the fitment's like after we've got the wide body kit completely installed and work out what size wheels we can run. But we're going for the biggest meat possible. And since the car's not in the air, I can't show you around the underside, but basically the underside is going to get stripped down. We're going to be doing loads of suspension work. I need some new coilovers, I need to do loads of stuff. Obviously big brake kit's going to be massive. It was going to be really important for the extra power, because at that power level braking is going to be key. You don't want to be able to go really fast and not stop, so stopping is really important. But anyway guys, like I said, this is a short video. I didn't want to go into too much detail of what's coming on the MX-5, but I wanted to give you guys a heads up on what's to come over the channel without spoiling too many surprises. I've already given you guys a few teasers over the last few videos and in this video as well. I mean, now you know what wide body kit I'm most likely getting. I'm pretty set on that now. But yeah, that might change as well. It all depends on if anything better comes up by the time I do get that. But we are going wide body on the MX-5 and it's going to be epic. But like I said, the video is going to be quite short, so we're going to end the video there, guys. I just wanted to really give you an update on what's coming on the MX-5. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. And don't forget, guys, to comment down below. Give me some advice, tips, modifications you'd like to see on the MX-5. If you're new here, Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you are automatically updated whenever the latest exhaustive video comes out. But yeah guys, until the next one, adios.